Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical file cabinet, the perfect solution for indoor organization. There are many products available to choose from File Cabinet, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best file cabinet from dependable brands. When buying a good file cabinet, you need to focus on a few important things to keep your documents safe and organized. First, check the build quality because a strong and durable cabinet will last for years and protect your files. Next, look at the storage capacity to make sure it has enough space for all your papers and folders. Purity is also very important, so choose a cabinet with a reliable lock system to keep your important documents safe. Think about the design and size so it fits well in your home or office without taking up too much space. Finally, read reviews and choose a trusted brand to get the best value for your money. A high-quality file cabinet will keep your documents secure and make your workspace neat and professional. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Starting off our list strong, at number 5, we've got a product that perfectly blends quality with affordability. Number 5. Staples 3-drawer vertical file cabinet, letter-sized documents, lockable and amp, mobile. At number 5, let's find out why it's becoming a favorite among smart shoppers. The Staples 3-drawer vertical file cabinet is the perfect solution to keep your office organized, secure, and efficient. With 3 spacious drawers, it offers ample storage space for all your important documents, files, folders, and office supplies. Cabinet is designed to accommodate letter-sized hanging files, ensuring that your workspace stays clutter-free and your documents are easy to find. Featuring a built-in keyed lock, this file cabinet provides enhanced security, giving you peace of mind by protecting your confidential information from unauthorized access. The drawers glide smoothly thanks to precision ball bearing glides, making it easy to open, close, and access your files with minimal effort. Its modern, charcoal-colored finish gives it a sleek and professional appearance, while the compact size, measuring 29 inches in height and 19.75 inches in width, ensures it fits perfectly in any office space without overwhelming the room. The file cabinet is mobile, making it easy to move around your office as needed. Whether you're working from home or in a professional office, the Staples 3-drawer vertical file cabinet offers both style and functionality to keep your documents secure and organized. Moving on to number 4, this one brings some real innovation to the table. Number 4. Yizosh metal garage storage cabinet with 2 doors and 5 adjustable shelves, 71 inches steel lockable file cabinet. Coming in at number 4, we have a solid performer that delivers beyond expectations. The Yizosh metal garage storage cabinet is the perfect solution for those seeking a strong, secure, and versatile storage option for both home and office use. Constructed from heavy-duty alloy steel, this cabinet boasts a reinforced frame that can hold up to 180 pounds per shelf, making it ideal for storing everything from office files to garage tools. Cabinet features 5 adjustable shelves, allowing you to customize the space according to your storage needs, whether you're organizing paperwork, tools, or other bulky items. Sleek black finish not only adds a modern touch to your space but also offers rust and scratch resistance, ensuring long-lasting durability. For added security, the cabinet comes with a high-grade lock and 2 keys, keeping your valuables safe. With a spacious design and a height of 71 inches, it provides ample storage capacity while maintaining a compact footprint. Cabinet's 2 doors open to a 180-degree angle for easy access, and assembly is simple with the included instructions. Whether you're looking to organize your garage, office, or any other area in need of reliable storage, the Yizosh metal storage cabinet is a practical and stylish solution. Now, stepping into the top 3, things are getting even more interesting. Number 3. Greenvelly Lateral File Cabinet with Lock, 3-drawer metal filing cabinet for home office. At number 3, it's striking the perfect balance between style, performance, and price. The Greenvelly 3-drawer lateral file cabinet is the perfect addition to any home or office, providing both style and functionality. This black metal filing cabinet is crafted from high-strength, cold-rolled steel, ensuring durability and long-term use. With a maximum load capacity of up to 160 pounds, it offers solid support for all your important documents. The three large drawers feature adjustable hanging bars, allowing you to store legal, letter, and hanging folders with ease, keeping your files neatly organized. Cabinet's lockable design ensures your documents stay secure, with an interlocking system that locks all drawers at once to prevent unauthorized access and reduce tipping risk. The full extension ball bearing slides allow for smooth and quiet operation, making it easy to access the contents of each drawer. Not only does it provide excellent storage, but its sleek, modern design also complements any office decor. Easy to assemble, the cabinet includes detailed instructions and an installation video to guide you through the setup process. Whether you're organizing paperwork or securing sensitive information, the Greenvelly Lateral File Cabinet is an excellent choice for both functionality and security. We're almost at the top, and this next one could easily have been number one for many users. Number 2. Staples 4-drawer vertical file cabinet, letter-sized documents, lockable. Taking the runner-up spot at number 2, it stands out for its premium build and next-level reliability. The Staples 4-drawer vertical file cabinet is the ideal solution for keeping your documents organized and secure in both home and office environments. Designed to store letter-size files, this sleek black cabinet offers 4 spacious drawers that ensure your important documents are neatly filed and easy to access. Crafted with durable aluminum, this cabinet is built to withstand everyday use while providing a modern and professional look. With its lockable drawers, you can rest assured that your confidential information remains safe from unauthorized access. 51.97 inches tall, 15 inches wide, and 25 inches deep, it offers ample storage without overwhelming your space. Cabinet's removable drawers allow for flexible organization, while the sturdy construction ensures long-lasting reliability. Whether you're managing client files, account records, or personal documents, this vertical file cabinet helps keep everything in its place. Key lock adds an extra layer of security, making it perfect for any office setting. Easy to use and maintain, this file cabinet is a practical and stylish addition to your workspace. Watch the video to learn more about how the Staples 4-drawer vertical file cabinet can help you stay organized and efficient. And finally, the moment you've been waiting for. The absolute best among all. Number 1. Lateral File Cabinets, 4-drawer metal lateral filing organization storage cabinets with lock, home office. At number 1, the crown goes to unmatched in performance, value, and user satisfaction. Introducing the Lateral 4-drawer metal lateral filing cabinet, the perfect solution for your home or office storage needs. This sleek, black filing cabinet offers a unique interlocking drawer system that ensures all drawers are securely locked, providing a safe and organized environment for your important files. Its 4 spacious drawers are designed to accommodate A4, letter, and legal-size hanging file folders, helping you keep documents neat and easily accessible. Made from high-strength, rust-proof steel, the cabinet's sturdy, powder-coated construction ensures durability and protection from corrosion, making it an ideal choice for long-term use. With a modern and elegant design, this cabinet seamlessly blends into any office space, adding both functionality and style. Convenient folding key lock ensures security, while the ball-bearing full suspension drawers offer smooth, quiet operation. 52 inches tall, 36 inches wide, and 16 inches deep, it provides ample storage without taking up too much space. Assembly is straightforward, taking just about 30 minutes with all necessary tools and instructions included. Whether you're storing important documents at home or in a professional setting, the Lateral File Cabinet combines practicality, security, and style in one essential piece. Thank you so much for watching Review the Best Buy. I always try to bring you honest and useful product reviews that make your life easier. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with the latest reviews. You'll find product details and prices in the description below. And if you have any questions or face any issues, feel free to drop a comment. I'll be happy to help. Remember, the right choice today can transform your tomorrow. Stay with Review the Best Buy and always choose quality.